7 a.m. a little after 7 a.m. Storm is for most intents and purposes gone. We're getting maybe 25-30 mile an hour winds, some gusts maybe hitting 40, so pretty much done and over with from what we were worried about. Lucy, I don't see any problems here. I think you're going to be fine. Your roof looks real intact. You got a couple of trees in the backyard. I don't know, there's short palms that look like they might have been bent over, but I think you're fine. And place across the street looks like the door to that plastic shed you got right on the other side of that fence is flapping around. So I don't know if the storm blew it over or what happened, but getting a little in here. Still, like I said, still pretty good winds going on. Up in the morning. Here, I'll let you take a peek over the fence there. You see that door's flopping around there. So, we just got a bunch of leaves and stuff on the ground, and then went in here and I thought I was recording, but apparently I wasn't. I'm old, can't do things like that. But you got just some debris around. Looks like a little something got knocked out of there. Kind of looks like a storm blew into that right there. So, there you go. Doesn't look too bad, just a lot of water. So. And the same thing back there. So like I said, I think we all came. Oh, hey, you got some roof damage here. See it there? Can't tell exactly what's going on, but you can see where the roof peeled back right there on top. So something to take a look at when you get back. And I don't know what that is. Might be part of your roof. All right. Alright, and my neighbor over here did fairly well too. The neighbor in the back looks alright. It looks like the tree in the backyard, one of the three trees, lost a couple of branches, but probably fell in the alleyway between the two properties. So that's not bad at all, not bad at all. A lot better than what I thought we were going to go through today. Really glad to see you. Well, for our sake anyway. I'm sure some other people are dealing with more than they need to. So yeah, everything looks like it. Well, somebody's golf clubs got wet. Never saw that. All right, so yeah. And I said, it's that, not that tree, but that tree in the back there. It lost a couple of branches that fell down in the alleyway there. This is Joe's place. All right, guys. Looks like we fared fairly well. Thanks for joining me on my little adventure here. We'll talk to you later.